Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you a very simple trick as to how to open a hyperlink in a new window. I believe we should sometimes learn a little bit of simple things also and not only the complicated things. So let's go ahead with it. So what I'm going to explain to you is how to create a hyperlink, which I think is quite simple. So we create a hyperlink in HTML by using the A tag, and if you want to point our link to some place, we type in like this: href equal to google.com, and close it with double quote, do a little formatting, and give it a descriptive name, for example Google. And if I run this in the file in the browser, I am sure you would be aware that we would get a link, which is kind of quite simple to do. So you can see that the link Google has come up, and if I click on the link, the web page that I'm going to open, which is google.com, just a minute, okay, is opening in the same window. So if I click on the link, same window, go back, click on the link, same window. So what if I want to open it in a separate window? It's very easy to do. All I need to do is to go back to the source code, and after the quote mark I have to use a keyword called as target, and then I have to give it a value of blank and save it once again, and let's refresh the page. So the link remains the same, there's no change in the look and feel, but if we click on the Google link right now here, it opens in a new window. Click on it, opens in a new window, as many windows as you want. And this is the purpose of the video. So I hope it was quite simple for you, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That would be great. And thanks again. Bye bye.